Hello, fellows. I'm back again. So, first of all, let's wait for others, and then I'll be starting your opening ceremony, and I'll be telling about how the fellowship program will be starting and what are the procedures of the pointing system and what are the prizes that you'll be getting in the fellowship. Okay, so stay tuned, and if you have any questions or any kind of problems that you're facing on Discord, kindly message on the comment section. I will help you right away in the live session. Okay, so let's wait for those and then let's start an exciting opening ceremony. Any questions, anything you are getting, just put a comment on the like YouTube chat, and I'm here to help you for all the issues that you are having. That I've seen chats yesterday as well. A lot of people, you are getting a lot of issues on Discord. No worries about that. I'm here to help you. Okay. Okay. So Ansh, you asking how many fellows are selected. So in total, there are 200 plus fellows are selected across India. Okay, and you all will be like shortlisted on the basis of various phases and various resume CVs and type of answers that were given. Okay, so for the curve verify that you are asking me, this is in PHP. This only can help is Praveen. He is here. Let me add him. Praveen. He is here. He's just turning off his camera and then he will tell you about curve verify. I will tell you about all the projects. Don't worry. Stay here. I'm just waiting for him.
Hi everyone.
Just hold on one second. I'm just starting. Hold on, Praveen. I'm just hold on.
Hey everyone.
Yeah. Are
How is
you all
everyone
able
today?
to hear Praveen? Able to see
Can you hear
him?
me?
Just type yes or no because I'm unable to see Praveen. Yeah.
Take some time, dude. It takes some time.
Now it's okay. So someone is saying there's some echo. So now it's audible my voice or Praveen's voice.
Is it fine?
Okay, perfect. Okay. So before just check your voice. I think so someone saying there's an echo. Is the voice is fine, Praveen?
Is everything okay?
Yeah, perfect. So, fellows, Praveen is here. So, for Praveen for Verify, they're having some doubts and all. Few students, like in PHP
Sure.
and all. I'll be telling you after it what they are asking, the questions in the
Okay.
end. Now, I'm sharing the PPT, like a document that we have made for you all. So, stay here. I'm just sharing my screen. Okay, so are you all able to see my screen? Is visible to all of you? Are you all visible? Is the everything is visible? Just type
I'll also
yes
have
or
a look at
no so
the
that
I'll
we can check
I'll
it
also
out.
try to look at the stream to see if everything looks fine. Just give me a second.
Yeah, no worries, no worries. Just have a look. Just have a look. No worries. Yeah,
J
perfect.
J
So they are saying yes. So let me just start the documentation and then yep. You just check it out, Praveen. I'm just
J, can you send me
starting
the stream
the
URL?
documentation that I made personally today.
Okay, cool. Send me the
What is
stream
the stream
URL
URL?
once.
Just show.
Yep, the YouTube one.
Sure. Just sending. Folks, just 2 minutes is
Sorry, folks. I'm just setting up my side of things. I had a power cut.
Praveen needs the stream URL. Then I'm just starting the whole documentation. Okay. So first let me just close the banner because now it's not stay tuned. And folks, if you have any questions about the project, tech stack, or anything, and also I want to ask you one thing that you all will be getting a training before contributing in all the projects. Okay, that training I will be telling you in the documentation. Okay, so Praveen, let me just share you the link first of all. Just hold on for a second, folks. I'm just sharing the link to Praveen. Okay, so Anuj is also there. So just hold on for a second. I'm just sharing the link. Okay, Shape Praveen.
Got
Okay,
it.
so
Thanks.
folks, I'm now starting the whole documentation. So stay here. And Anuj, I will be welcoming you in soon as a Soul Labs. Okay, so okay, so Praveen, just check it out. Is my screen is visible to all of them on the stream?
Yes, it is. It
Because
is.
I'm now
I'm looking
connected
at
to
it.
another window. Okay. Okay, perfect. So, welcome to the program. First of all, everyone, we are glad you all to select you across India based
And
on
hi
your talent. This
everyone.
is
You could see me
yes.
on the chat as well, by the way.
Okay, so let's proceed to the timeline because I have seen a lot of people are having issues about the timeline. Okay, so SAP is officially started on 1st of August. So like were having a lot of pending interviews, like more than 1,000. So that's why we just circulated, just have done till 10th of August. Okay, so we have started our SAP on 1st of August. You are all a fellows now. We will having a community bonding stage right now is going on. Okay, that's a 5 to 15th of August, in which we'll be having some chats, we'll be having some calls on Discord, some interaction we'll be having. Okay, and this will be a 3 month long program, and it will end on October 30th. Okay, and results will be out by November 5 or November 6. Okay, so let's proceed further. So these are the prizes. Before like I tell about the fellowship and the projects, I'm telling you the prizes because you should know what you are getting. Okay, first prize is the best fellow of 2021. Okay, next is top 10 fellows of the year, which will be selected. Next is the contributor of the year. Okay, who has been done the maximum contributions on the basis of the skills, talent, and the execution part. And is there are more 10 fellows which will be getting prizes in SAO labs. Those will be using SAO APIs. Okay, so they will be getting specific awards that we have designed with SAO labs. So let's proceed further with the projects. So the projects we have first is the Hackovate project. So in the Hackovate project, it's like a hackathon web-based platform to organize hackathons. So like nowadays, hackathons are going on in a very huge scale. If I talk about virtual, okay. So Hackovate is a project of ours, and we have also thinking of a project called Untitled Chapter. So this is like a
Okay.
yes.
Jay seems to have his internet connection disconnected. Okay, I'll just try to continue. So, have you would have seen different sites like
Projects of
Dev
the
Post or something like that. So, Hackovate is something similar to that, where you will be able to host the hackathons, and it is completely web based. There are no apps or anything, and this is one of the
Coverify and
flagship
Kavin as well.
projects.
So those will learn something. Yeah, what do you saying, Praveen?
No, you got completely disconnected, Jay. So I was taking over.
Oh, oh, now it's
I was
visible.
explaining about Hackaway, like what it is,
No
completely
worries. Now it's
web-based
visible.
project.
Just ask them. I'm audible to everyone.
You're audible now.
Audible. Sorry for the inconvenience. So Hackovate is like some kind of hackathon-based platform. Okay, to organize hackathons in a fun way. Okay, like there are like a lot of hackathon platforms in the industry, but this is something unique. Hackovate, meaning of Hackovate, let me tell you. Hack means hackathon. OV means innovation, and 8
08
means
means
infinity.
like 08, OV8 is like 08,
Innovation and
innovate.
infinity.
So
Yes,
exactly.
like that. Innovation and 8 is some kind of infinity. When I will be
Yes.
sharing you the logo to the Hackaway team, you will be getting to know what I'm trying to say. Okay. Next is the Karo Verify platform that is already launched in the industry for
Yes.
all the communities to get
Jay,
free
bye bye. I'll
certificates.
take care. Go away.
Okay, okay. So Praveen is checking for the Karo Verify. No worries. Just check it.
So first thing which I wanted to say is like a couple of months ago, I started my YouTube channel. We did like, okay, there are loads and loads of certificate verification platforms available, and they were all charging money. I was thinking like, why don't we do something in a simple way, in an open source way? I'm all about open source and free education, etc. This is what is my main idea, and not just if many people when they hear free education, they will think about like, okay, it's going to be free education, it will not be that quality or something like that. But my thought itself is like, it's about, even though it is free, it has to be high quality free education for everyone. So when that is my idea, I also ventured into the open source world. And in the open source, whatever you do, you will be teaching others, like what I have been doing in my YouTube channel and other places. So what we have done so far is, like, on that particular live stream, I thought, why don't we do the certificate printing and verification process ourselves. See, we are all developers, right? Most of them, we are who are working on these things, like the audience, let it be the audience, let it be the people who are working on, everyone is a developer. So if we have so much resources in the terms of servers, resources in the terms of talent, why can't we do something ourselves? So this all started like a simple quick live stream where we were able to create a completely verifiable and validatable certificate. And it has been given to people here, like, given to anyone who can anytime verify it and add it to your LinkedIn or something like that. So that was the live stream about, and Jay saw that one, and he said, like, hey, why don't we do this as a product? That's it. That's how it started. So what this does is, so when a community reaches out to us, we will be able to issue certificates, digital certificates, based on what the students or like the recipients have done. And we started this completely as a free online open source stuff. And then there is a small bit of commercial stuff in this for bigger organizations and communities. I mean, for communities, I believe it is free. So regarding the commercial stuff, Jay will be the right person to talk. Regarding the technical stuff, I am the CTO, you can ask me anything. And yes, I have left my LinkedIn address, so go ahead and hit me up on LinkedIn as well. So that's also is there. And Jay, go ahead if you want to say anything to add on
Yeah.
top of it.
Okay.
Oh, by the way,
So yeah.
there is also this multilingual thing, Sandra, that is also coming it as a spin-off of Karo Verify. I'm not telling anything about that. I just told
Okay,
the
I
name.
will be telling to the Curve Verified team specifically because this is a plan that we are
This is a
planning.
secret plan
Not,
between me and Jay. Okay.
but there is one feature that I should add. I should want to tell to everyone. So we are planning to implement machine learning in Curve Verify, through
Mhm.
which language based algorithm will be made in that, and based on the language, if it's Telugu, Tamil, um Spanish,
Malayalam,
French, Hindi,
Kannada,
any
Hindi.
language,
Yep.
the landing page will convert itself in that particular language. It means you can have your own landing page in your own preferred language. Okay.
Jay, there is a question from Divya
Yeah,
Sri. Let
I'm
me
just saying, I'm
quickly
just saying, yeah.
answer
Does
that.
Spotify have a feature where we can generate templates? Yeah, good question. But soon we'll be also thinking of some templates kind of thing
So
so
currently
that
we
you
are
can
we
have.
are look we are partnering with another big company for the template and automatically writing, like automatically designing all the certificates. But at this point, these two companies exist. Karo Verify exists, Sandre exists, and also we have got the other company, the design company exists. And the only thing is, it is not connected with each other, but both of them are there. We are trying to work on the integration between the two. And any front end developers, back end developers, full stack developers out there, contact me.
Okay, so next project is the craft brain. This is my personal project, like a personal idea that I have got for all of the students. Okay, nowadays everyone wants to gain some skills, everyone wants to learn something new. So this is a project that I thought in my mind so that students can learn ease from anywhere, anytime. Like all the projects, you will get some rewards in the platform, you will get some great courses with great like ML course, full stack development course. Okay, and also like you will be getting certified after like giving your, what we say, exam. So after each and every session, you'll be having some quizzes, you're having some exams, you're having some assignments. So a fun kind of application the Crowdwin is. So next is the community application that a lot of people asking what is a community application. So community application is not the actual name. I'm not like decided the name. Okay, I will be telling to the community application team soon. So this is an app you can say like a meetup platform, but it's way different, because it's a platform from where many communities can make their own community groups, can run their communities, can organize events, can market events across all the community network in that app. Okay, through this, the new communities can also able to grow themselves through this application. Okay, so if I come with the tech stack part, so in the tech stack Hackowit we have React, HTML, CSS, JS, then we have Node.js. In that, for Verify we have the same things, but we also have PHP in that. Okay, for CrowdBrain, same things, Node.js, PHP. We having machine learning in Verify and CrowdBrain as well. And in community application also we have Flutter, UI UX, Firebase, and your machine learning. Okay, so these
In
are the
simple terms, if you are a developer, you have a chance. As simple as that.
okay. So all the tech stack things I have shared from the official ID of script in the Discord earlier as well, so you can have a look in that. So let's me proceed further with training part. So this is the most important part that I want to mention, because training is something you will be able to learn. Okay, so learning is something like we are providing to everyone. So we'll be having various trainings, various workshops we'll be having before you are very confident enough to, like what we say, just build or just start contributing in the issues. We will be having in React JS, Flutter, UI, UX, and machine learning. These are the four main trainings that we have listed right now. But soon we are trying our best that we also have training in, like what we say, in the Node.js, PHP kind of stuff, so that it can help you all. Okay. So let's proceed further with the sponsors. These are the, like our sponsors which have helped us in all the event stuff: GitHub, CV, Skillshare, Internship at Training, Funky, Prep Bytes, Geeks, DigitalOcean, and Sao Labs. So now this is the most important thing: pointing system. Okay, the pointing system. So how you'll be getting the points? Okay, so for easy, you have 10 points. For medium, you have 20 points. For hard, you have 30 points. And for using Saho Labs, you have 50 points. Okay. So how you'll be getting that which point is allotted to which? So in the issues, you'll be tagging easy, medium, hard, and Saho Labs. So using that, you can use your particular issue, and accordingly you will get scored. Okay. And so now let's start the fellowship, and let's ask if you have any questions and all. You can feel to ask me, and I'm also adding Anuj from Sawa Labs. So Anuj, I would like you to come and you just tell about a little bit about Sawa Labs and how it's the working going on.
Hi everyone. Hi Praveen. Hi Jay.
Okay, is
Thanks for
Anuj is
inviting.
there? Hi Anuj, I'm fine. So yeah, just tell
I
about a little
hope
bit
I'm
about
audible.
Saho Labs and all, so that, yeah, let me just fix the screening part so that you can come over here. Just hold on a second.
Yeah,
Yeah, perfect.
great. So I'll start with my introduction. Hello everyone. My name is Anuj Sharma. Currently working as community manager at Savo Labs. And for all those who are thinking, what is Savo Labs and like what is Savo? So I'll give you a small overview of what is Sabo, how it was started, and how it's gonna be, play an important role in the script fellowship program. Thanks, Jeff, for reaching out to us and being a partner for this wonderful program. That's really nice. So basically, Savo means secure authentication without OTP. So as we all know, to secure another level, in the security, we added the OTP system. Everybody knows about that, and that OTP system, sometimes causes issues. The OTP doesn't come for like an everybody know about the COVID situation, right? So there are many other cases in different applications also that this is happening. So to sort that out, Savo came up with an idea, an API to do authentication while not hassling for OTPs and passwords. And basically, a vision is to make passwords and OTPs go extinct. And if I talk about our aim is to, yes, we have received funds. We have received 5.5 crores seed funding at the start of the startup. Our startup is a young startup, and the vision is to utilize the funds in further strengthening the product portfolio and get developing the next gen OTP-less and partnerless APIs and plugins for you guys so that you can integrate it wherever you want, however you want. And yes, as Jay mentioned in the start, that the people integrating Savo Labs would be, will be having a separate top 10 fellows list. How we'll be doing that, everything would be explained throughout the program. It would be a step by step process. And we will be having a top contributor as well. Using Savolab's API will give you 50 points, as Jay mentioned, and it's going to play an important role in each project. Because authentication and security is one of the major concern in any project or product which are upcoming in the markets. So, how are you going to use the Savo API? The main question comes: is it feasible? Is it easy for us to integrate? Is it feasible for Django? Is it feasible for React? So the answer is yes. It's really easy. Where can I find the documentation? You can just go to Savolab's website. You'll find the documentation there. Soon we will be launching, sample applications and sample code on a GitHub. All the resources will be shared to you on Discord. There is a separate channel named hashtag Savo-Labs. You can reach out to us for any sort of questions. I am there. Our team is there. Savo team is there on the Discord to help you guys with any issues you have. We'll be trying to get answers for you within 30 minutes of the question you ask. And yes, you can integrate it on both web and app. It's available for both, and even in app, it's available for Android and iOS. And the application
Okay.
process and everything is really easy. It's simple 6 lines of code which you need to do. We have given sample codes onto the website in the documentation. You will see that we have given specific documentation for React, Node.js. We have given for hybrid ones. It's totally upon you how you want to do that. If you have any issues, feel free to reach out to me onto the Savo Labs community. If you want to join Savo Labs community, I'll be soon dropping in my link as well. You can join, you can connect with me over LinkedIn, you can join Savo Labs community. And I guess that's it. If I talk about the overview
Mm,
and how we are going to do the API integration, that we can take it on a detailed session later on. If I talk about an overview, this is it.
Okay, so thanks, Anuj. So I have seen like a lot of people having a lot of questions. So let me just answer first those because I think that will
Yeah.
be most important thing that I've seen. Okay, so let me just start from all the questions that you have asked in the chat.
I have tried
So
to answer a lot,
okay,
and those people who are interested to work with
uh,
me, please
there
go.
are a lot of in crowd brain, and also I'm just starting from the top because there are a lot of
Yeah,
questions because I was
it's all
in the
mainly
PPT I was
around
unable
craft
to
brain.
show.
Yes, Paras, I
Yeah, yeah,
just
because in the
answered
crowd brain
you the
thing,
answer as yes. Just before you asked.
yeah,
People are
yeah,
not
yeah,
even
yeah. I'm
looking at
just
the
thinking
answers. I guess
questions.
let's
No
let's answer
worries,
it here.
fellows. I'm here to answer. Okay. So, can verify you have done this? Okay. So, someone is asking language conversation using NLP or Simpletron. Okay.
I've answered
So, I
that.
think so. Praveen, you know this related to your. Okay. So, my thing with the career, yeah.
Okay, so
So, I've operated
yes,
Cloudbrain
the
project
time,
since time.
the
Let me
duration will
just
be
put
10.
this question in the front. Let me just put this question in the front so that everyone can see this.
Okay, so I'll answer this
I
question
have
for
put this
Sanjana.
in
Sanjana,
the
please do connect with me. And yes, Craft Brain project is gonna have both ML as well as React. And for guidance related, yes, you will be completely guided and taken care of. And with respect to React, I'll be the right person and I'll be taking care of all those training and also giving you the right guidance on how to create an enterprise web application using React as well as a contributor to the React library. So anyone who is using React will be using my code. I shouldn't say this in the open source world, but I just wanted to tell you what exactly I'm doing. And I hope the way I train is really totally unique, and you'll be able to easily understand the concepts in a live demo kind of a scenario. So yes, Sanjana, the answer is yes. You will be trained and guided. And along with Sanjana, there was other person as well, Divya Sri Dharimisati. I just got your request as well. Thanks for sending me the request. Sanjana, connect with me and we can talk about this in detail. Um, Jay, I'll also answer the other question. So Paras Rawat says,
Yeah, there's
okay,
one more
fine.
question like Lokesh is asking me. I want to answer
Okay,
this.
go
Okay,
ahead. You
so
answer
Lokesh,
it.
you're asking that, see, all the projects are not being previously worked. It's totally new. Okay, it's totally new. Like we got ideas and we want to fulfill the ideas. And also, there's one more thing that I've not mentioned in the whole from the PPT as well, that in the end of the fellowship, we will be choosing our final team for Coverify as well, and for Hackovit as well, and for the community application as well. Okay, and even for Crowdwin as well. Okay, so that will be on the basis of the way you contribute, the way you just explain your code, and other things will be there in the criteria. Okay, so next, okay, so about the ledger board, Paras, ledger board will be live soon. First of all, let's start with the fellows and just work on the issues first. Okay, so the team will be calculating all your points and it will be live on the foundation main website itself. Okay, link will be shared soon in the Discord in the mid of the fellowship. Okay, because in that we have to mention all your GitHub IDs, Discord IDs, and everything. Okay, so for the GitHub links, Kanak, like you will be getting in the fellowship Discord channel. Okay, so in your preferred batches, you'll be getting the, like what you say, the GitHub links and the access for that as well. And regarding your um stage, so we have also made one stage for you all in the Discord. For if you all check, you have SFB batch 1, 2, 3, 4 community stage. So that community stage will used as in having a direct conversation on a weekly basis. You'll be having a weekly conversation with all the batches, how the progress is going on, how you are getting the good mentors, good support. Okay, and all your meetings will be happening for SFP batches will be on those community stages. So now next question I would like to come with.
Uh,
Okay, so
Jay,
duration of
quick
training
two
period is
questions.
total 3 months. Yeah,
Quick
so
questions
training period is total of
about.
3 months.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
So I would
so
like
UI
you to
UX you
answer
are
a
saying.
couple of questions in that was taken that was asked by others. Yes, start with the timeline of the things, and also can you also answer this question about
Yes, which
the
one?
tech stacks of all the products again? What is that main tech stack of Craft Brain?
This one,
Yes, Saptashri's
this one,
question. Yes.
this one. Okay, so tech stack. Okay, so tech stack that we are using in the Crowdbrain project is HTML, CSS, JS, React.js, Node.js, and machine learning. Okay, so these are the whole tech stack that we are using. Okay, for the whole project. Okay, for other, like for the all the tech stacks I have shared yesterday as well, like 2 3 times, just go to the announcement channel in that, in the Discord. All the information is given, and I've seen that a lot of people are having a lot of issues while selecting the batches. Okay, so just I'm giving you one explanation. Open Discord. In the Script Fellowship program, there'll be option of roles. If no one has the fellow role, just click on, just react on the bot. You will get the fellow role on the spot, and then as a fellow role, go to announcement channel. In that we have mentioned all the batches. Okay, in the batches you just opt your batch that you want to be and just react on it, and on the spot you'll be allotted. The channel will occur in front of you in Discord. Okay, so okay, so there's one question for you, Anuj. Just Sao community and all. I would like if you can answer.
Yes, so thanks for asking the question. So Savo community basically it's just like a normal community which is started for the developers, for the people who want to connect with other people who want to look who are looking forward for opportunities to represent themselves. So right now we are a community of around 2,200 people over Discord. You can happily join in there. You can share your resume. We every Monday we do resume reviews. Along with that, we have vibe check. We organize sessions with different colleges as they reach out to us. So there are many opportunities. We regularly share jobs and we hire from the community as well. There are around 6 to 7 people who were directly hired from the community. So we'll be happy to have you all there. Just join in and explore everything. Ask all the questions you have. There are many people who will be really happy to help you guys. I hope this answers your question.
Okay, so there's one question from Ansh. Okay, so Ansh, you are asking like, can we work on multiple projects? Yes, everyone can work on multiple projects, but I will prefer just select your project that you
Area of
want to work,
expertise.
because okay, because if you are working on a one project, then you are able to. Some voice is clear, Praveen.
Yes, yes, yes. Your
Clear.
voice is clear. I was
I
just
think
trying
the
to
some
say that.
issues got occurred in the Discord. Some issues are occurring. Issues are occurring on this StreamYard. Hold on for a second. Let me just check it out. Yeah, now it's clear. My voice.
Yes, yes, it is clear.
Praveen, sorry, folks, for the inconvenience. Okay, so
It
I
is
was
clear. It
trying
is
to
clear.
say is like you can work on multiple projects. That not the issue, but my main focus as a fellow is like you should just work on a one project so that you can get the industrial experience. How these kind of application work in an industry. Okay, so it's totally up to you. If you want to work on multiple projects, you can work. If you want to work on one project, you can. Okay, so there are one more questions for Praveen. Okay, oh no, it's regarding connection request. So Abhishek is
Okay.
asking, are we going to select the task? Yeah, you will be selecting the task on your own. We'll be sharing the issues to you, and it will be having like, we'll be tagging that easy, medium, hard, Sawa labs that I have told you, and accordingly you have to just comment on it. We will just assign you, and then you can start working. Okay,
See,
when it's done, you will just, yeah,
one
go
more
on,
thing
Praveen
is
Kumar.
you all are developers as well. So try to even come up with ideas and um, something nice so that we can all build something awesome together. So that is also is a better way. So more points for people who are giving brainstorming and bringing up new ideas. How does that sound?
Sounds perfect, Praveen. Nice idea. And also, everyone, for the Sour Labs, I have tell you more details. I'll be getting soon from the team. Okay, don't worry about that. Also, Sour Labs is like one of the greatest platform, and all projects, if I say, is in collaboration with Sour Labs. Okay, your Verify, your CrowdBrain, your community app, everything is in collaboration with Verify, as authentication part is something like we use in regular basis. Okay, so more details for Sawa Labs will be shared soon, and for the training thing, dates will be released by either today or by tomorrow. That on which dates you have the training, and we'll be sharing a type form on every SFB batch, in which I want everyone to fill that form, fellows, and you have to add your GitHub ID so that we can provide you the access of the repository, and then you are able to see the issues and you can start commenting, and then you can start working as a fellow. Okay, so any other questions you have, fellows, just ask over here. I'm happy to help you.
And folks, whenever we are addressing each other, please do not use sir. That is completely fine. Okay, badge. That's one of
No
the.
worries. Okay, there's a
That's
badge.
a
Okay,
really nice
so dear,
question.
that's the badge. That's the badge that I've shared. Okay, badge is something like, what badge are you guys? Okay, so just tell me one thing. Have you joined Discord? Anshuman Kumar Prasad, have you joined Discord? Just tell me one thing. I will tell you what are the badges that I'm telling you. Have you joined Discord? Have you taken the fellow role, and have you just taken the projects? Because that's are the badges that you'll be getting on the Discord. Okay. Because without that, a fellow is unable to access those private channels on the Discord. Okay. And any other queries or issues you have, just contact anytime to us. Okay, so you have got roles, no worries. Just click on any of the batches, and Shuman, you will get your required batch on the spot, as the channels are private. Those are not public on Discord. Okay, so yeah, share will be sharing you the GitHub ID. No need to share. No need to share. We'll be sharing a type form on the chat soon by today. Fellows will be in that, will be just filling that form, and we'll be just providing you the access. Okay, don't
and
worry.
kind and
And
I
training,
kindly request everyone not to repeat your comments. We are
yeah.
we are trying to answer every single comment. I'm trying to answer every single comment, so don't worry.
Okay, so training thing, we will be informing you by today or by tomorrow, as we are just finalizing the dates of the workshops that will be having 2 3 days workshop trainings, that in which you'll be learning something good and something informative. That's a main concern in the fellowship program. So don't worry, we'll be announcing it in Discord. So any other question? Okay, so someone is asking React and also any other questions, fellows, just answer it, just ask me. As I've seen in last night, a lot of fellows have a lot of issues on Discord, and I'm here to help you. That's why I'm here. So just ask it. Don't shy, just ask. If you have any issues on Discord, if you don't know how to use Discord, no worries. A lot of people don't know how to use Discord.
Yes,
You're new.
that's one of the main things that we face every single time when in a community, any new community or anything. Discord is almost similar to Slack, and don't worry if you are new to Discord. Even I was new to Discord couple of months ago, and it is very easy to pick it up. And Discord is also getting a lot of features, and it is becoming almost like how you see Slack. So it is not big deal. Like, see, when Jay Sadhana was telling about reaction roles, etc. So roles are those one which gives you the permission to access the different parts of Discord. Discord is just like a library. You go inside, you see a lot of rooms. They are just like channels. And if you have the badge, like not the badge, sorry, wrong thing. If you have the role is given by a small tag in your profile. And if you get the role, you'll be able to access all the other rooms or all the other channels. To be honest, so that would be the easiest way explanation I can give with a real life analogy, considering a library. You enter a library, there are different rooms, and that is something which I wanted to tell you.
Okay, so there are few questions that people asking. Okay, yes, two people can take one issue because our main mission is like to network. Okay, the more people will take an issue, you are able to network, you're able to exchange your knowledge, your learnings. Yes, you can take one issue. If two people or three people can take one issue, but make sure we'll be having weekly meetings and we'll be taking updates. We'll be asking like what's happening, if you're having any updates, if you're having facing any issues. Don't like feel shy in the batch. Just type it if you are having any issue in anything. Okay, your organization is here to help you every time. Okay, so yeah, recording will be provided, but all the trainings will be live on YouTube in script channel itself. And after that, if someone is unable to come, no worries about that. We'll be sharing you the YouTube URL, and you can see that and take the training session. Okay, so I'm new in GitHub. Okay, so Praveen shares news in GitHub. I would like if you can give a GitHub kind of thing to her. Okay,
Sure,
and
sure, sure. What
Mohammed,
what exactly is the question again?
like I am new to GitHub. I don't know how to use it. Like a lot of people are new to GitHub that I've seen,
No worries.
especially the first and second year students.
I'll give you a complete workshop and walk through about how GitHub works and how things are made, and that's completely fine.
Don't worry about that. We
Ansh,
are able to help you all.
yes, there is another question from Ansh. How long will be given to
It's
solve issues? It depends on the
it's
issue.
totally up to you. It's totally up to you. It's totally up to
It
you.
depends on the issue. It
We
depends
will
on
just
your
scoring in the end.
capability. It
No
depends on two
worries if
things.
we are here to solve one issue, two issue, 10 issues, 20 issues. It's totally up to you. Okay.
Yeah,
I know
and
that
it
a lot of
also,
people are
and another
new.
thing is, like, yes, it each issue is different. Okay, so it depends on the issue. It depends on each person, right? Okay, so if
Yes.
Jay can solve in like 10 days, I can solve in 2 days. So it also depends on that too. So something like that. Sorry, man. I had to say that. I'm
No
a
worries, no
developer.
worries. They'll contribute with first come, first serve basis. No
Yes, no,
all.
yes, no, or
I'm not
yes.
getting this point. Is he asking in the GitHub thing or for the fellows that we have selected? Just
Okay,
Sudhanshu, just
explain both the
clarify
things.
your question.
Both the things,
Okay,
Jay. Explain
fellows
both the
are being
things.
selected on the basis of the D2C applications. There are 3 rounds. Okay, the 2 rounds basically. Third round is the one that you all were filling. Okay, and if I say on GitHub, yes, we can say on a first come first serve basis because we cannot give 10 people one issue. We want everyone should get other issues to work upon to see how the working is going on and how they have to start a particular work. Okay. Okay, so someone is asking, can I change the project I wish to work on? Yeah, you can. Anna, you can just do one thing in Discord where the call bot, the SAP bot has messaged 3 things that you have to react. Just unreact your current project and react in the accurate one. You will get the accurate channel access. Okay. So any other question, folks? Any other what do you say feedback? Any other things?
I'm also
Any other
trying to
trainings that you are
answer
getting?
everyone on the LinkedIn as well. So whoever has connected with me. So yes, that's fine.
Okay. Okay. So someone okay, thanks for a good feedback, Firebase. I will be looking into this and I will try my best that I should also add Firebase workshop as well in the fellowship program. Thanks for this. I'll be inviting a speaker for the same from the script side. Thank you for the feedback and any other feedback, any other thing you want. Can you tell about yourself? Praveen, good question.
About me or about you?
About you.
Oh, sure.
You both.
Okay, both of us. Okay, so I'll should I? Okay, Jay, start with yourself, and then I'll start mine.
Why? Okay. So, folks, okay, if you don't know me, let me just tell me one thing.
This is so bad. Okay, whenever Jay wants to say something really awesome, he gets stuck. Jay, you're stuck completely. All right. So Shazad, in that case, let's wait for Jay to become normal, and uh, and then I'll
Once
try
again,
to.
I am the founder
Yes,
and your
he's
script
back.
function. Okay. All in a very learn and very interactive way. And right now, you're all a hit that you've launched. And I think so now Praveen can
Sure, sure. Thank you,
launch. We
Jay.
made some
So
issues occurring. Sorry, folks. There are actually some issues occurring. Okay.
it's okay, Jay. I have your back. Don't worry. I'll
Okay.
I'll take care when you're not there. Okay. So hey everyone, my
Okay.
name is Praveen.
Okay.
Allow me to introduce.
Yeah, sure. Go on, man. Go on.
Hi everyone, my name is Praveen Kumar. I'm originally from Chennai, India. I'm currently living and working in London for one of the top 2 banks. I'm specializing on JavaScript and React, especially React and Node.js. And I'm a full stack JavaScript specialist. And my passions are like I work with a lot of awesome, great people like Jay and others. And I wanted to give uh, almost everyone who are my who I'm originally from Chennai, right? So in India, a lot of people are unaware of a lot of good things that is happening in the education system, and I would love to give free education to everyone. That's I just wanted to make a give a good impact on the education system. That's me. And apart from those things, yes, if you are willing to come here to study and work, I can help you with that, internships and other things. Also, Jay will be able to help you with a lot of different things. So, Jay, you want to take over?
Okay. So I want to ask, like, is Anna is there in the live stream? I have just opened my Discord. I've got few queries and all, so I would like to answer that as well because I've told everyone if you face anything, I'm here to help you. Okay, ask in the live stream. Okay, instead of in the chat because this is only for you. The fellowship is only for you, not for us. Okay, we are here to help you to train to learn something. Okay, so Anna, you are asking that can I change the project? Yeah, you can change your project. Just make sure just ASAP take your projects as we'll be sharing the what to say the Typeform URLs or the Google Form URLs by today night. So it will be great if you can just select your projects ASAP on Discord. And okay, so when will project channel? Okay, so project channels are already open. If Ujjwal Sharma is in the live stream, project channels are already open. You have to just go to SAP bot and just react on that thumb. Okay, on that like button or the thumb button then you will be getting the access of the particular channel. Okay, so folks, any other issues you have, you are free to ask.
Any technical stuff, anything related to JavaScript, Git, GitHub, Discord, you can ask me. If you're new to any of these things, just don't worry, just ask me. I'm happy to help you all, and it's all about helping others, right? So come on, don't be shy.
So Praveen, just do one thing. I'm just querying all the Discord queries that I'm getting. Okay, you just
Sure.
take over this. Okay, I'm just closing
Okay,
my
cool.
camera.
Oh, okay. Um, yes, Tushar, I'm also mentoring in Hackoway too, so I'll be there. Um, Sudhanshu says like, okay, I'm gonna go from the back. Okay, so from Tushar's question, yes, that is the answer. Then Ahana, thanks. Okay, welcome. Sudhanshu says, at a particular time, will there be a limit for contributions? No limit. Sky is your limit. Um, then do we have like can you both please tell us about yourself, like work experience and education? Okay, work experience. With work experience, I would say that I've got like around 10 years or 15 years, who knows, I lost count of those things. So around 10 to 15 years of work experience I have currently. Divyansh Tak, yes, there will be training sessions for Firebase too. I guess we have got someone for Firebase for sure.
Yes,
um,
I'm just having a word with someone for the Firebase. Okay,
Excellent.
because
And
don't worry about that.
GitHub, yes, everything will be on GitHub. Everything is in private mode, so you will be given access on per project access. So yes, Hana says, can I change project if I wish to work on? Yes, that's completely fine, right?
Yeah, yeah, they can. Okay,
You
so
can.
and okay, so Sangeeta Singh is asking when we can start contributing. You can start contributing from tomorrow onwards. By today,
Excellent.
I will be asking. I will just opening that form for 5 to 6 hours or for 12 hours. All the fellows have to fill that form so that we can give the particular access, and then you can just start contributing. Yes, Shudhanshu, just tell your whole question. What machine learning? Just tell your question. What you are having. Okay, and fellows will be ending soon the fellowship, and stay tuned
And
with the training session.
congratulations once again for getting into this.
Okay, and we'll be having training session soon. Sudhanshu, if you have any questions and all, just ask in Discord and tag script. I'll be happy to assist you. Okay, and thanks again, folks, for joining us. And I'll be sharing the forms and other things soon. Okay, so we'll be having machine learning or training as well that I mentioned in that. That's the most important thing. Yes, we'll be having machine learning workshop. Don't worry about that. Now start mentioning me and just start spamming me because I know that you'll be spamming after this. Go on and spam me. I'm here to help you. The organization is here to help you. So this is the end of the ceremony, and I'll be helping you on Discord. And Praveen is also there on Discord regarding Call Verify Crowdbrain. Just tag at that Praveen. He is able to help you. Okay. So thank
So
you so
it's
much, guys.
Praveen
I'll be
2791 or something like that. So you will be able to
they will
easily
just
identify with the
like
face.
tap to me, a photograph will come. Okay. So thank you so much, guys, and I'm like happy to have you all as a fellow in script. Thank you so much.